Welcome to Echoes of Anu. Here in this remarkable world of ours and indeed in the vast cosmos that surrounds it, truth often wears a disguise far stranger than any fiction we could conjure. Get ready to have your brain blown by 20 facts so strange they sound fake, but every one of them is 100% true. So prepare yourselves. Let's dive into the bizarre side of our world. And beyond. Our first marvel takes us beneath the waves, to the vibrant coral reefs, home to a creature of astonishing power, yet diminutive stature. This is the mantis shrimp, a crustacean that redefines the meaning of a swift strike. It possesses a pair of raptorial appendages, clubs if you will, which it can deploy with blinding speed. As this tiny warrior launches its attack, the water around its club boils. The sheer power generated is such that these shrimps have been known to shatter the glass of aquarium tanks, a tiny titan armed with nature's own superpowered hammer. Now let us cast our minds back, far back into the mists of geological time. Swimming in our oceans today are creatures whose lineage predates even the first primitive forests. I speak of course of sharks. These magnificent predators have patrolled the waters for an astonishing 400 million years. They are not merely ancient relics but highly evolved survivors, a living link to a world almost unimaginably old. In the lush canopies of Central and South American rainforests, a creature renowned for its leisurely pace makes its home. The sloth, an animal whose very name is synonymous with slowness, harbors a surprising aquatic talent. When necessity dictates, these arboreal mammals reveal an astonishing ability. They can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. Contrast this with the dolphin, a creature born to the ocean, an air-breathing mammal perfectly sculpted for life in the marine world. So, in this particular contest of endurance beneath the waves, the unhurried sloth emerges as the surprising victor. Let us now venture far beyond our own blue planet, to an exoplanet designated HD 189733b. This gas giant, 63 light-years away, has infernal weather. Sodium in its atmosphere gives it a blue hue, and silicate particles suggest it rains molten glass. Winds blow at over 5,000 miles per hour. Not exactly a prime destination for a holiday. We turn now to an internal marvel, essential for our survival. Our stomachs use powerful acids and enzymes to break down food. These substances could digest the stomach itself. The stomach protects itself through constant regeneration. Every few days the entire lining is replaced. In the woodlands and grasslands of Australia lives a creature with a unique method of marking its territory. The wombat produces cube-shaped feces, a trait that has puzzled scientists. Research suggests it's due to the varying elasticity of the wombat's intestinal walls. This elasticity sculpts the feces into cubes before expulsion. Cube droppings stay in place, ensuring their messages are clear, ingeniously engineered by nature. The journey of sensory experience begins remarkably early, even before a baby takes its first breath of air. Within the protective confines of the womb, a developing fetus is already exploring the world of taste. The amniotic fluid which surrounds and nourishes the baby carries flavors from the mother's diet. Studies have shown that by around 15 weeks of gestation, taste buds are fully developed, and the fetus begins to swallow amniotic fluid. Your love for bananas or garlic may have started before birth. It is a profound connection, a subtle shaping of preference that begins long before we are even aware of our own existence. Let us delve into the ocean's depths to encounter the remarkable octopus. Masters of camouflage with 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood through the gills, while the third circulates it. Their blue blood contains hemocyanin, a copper-rich protein for oxygen transport. 3 hearts and blue blood extraordinary adaptation. We now turn our attention to an icon of human engineering, the Eiffel Tower. This magnificent lattice of wrought iron is not as static as it might appear. During summer the iron absorbs thermal energy and expands. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller by over 6 inches, a grand-scale demonstration of thermal expansion. In the vastness of our oceans there exists a creature that seems to defy one of life's most fundamental rules, the inevitability of death, or at least, death by old age. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, commonly known as the immortal jellyfish. When faced with environmental stress, physical damage, or even old age, this remarkable jellyfish can revert to its earliest stage of life, a polyp colony. It undergoes a process called transdifferentiation, where its cells essentially transform from one type back into another, effectively resetting its life cycle. For Turritopsis dohrnii, death by old age appears to be optional, a stunning example of nature's capacity for regeneration and renewal. The raw, untamed power of nature often manifests in spectacular and awe-inspiring ways. Consider the lightning bolt, a dramatic discharge of atmospheric electricity. A single, average lightning bolt contains enough electrical energy to toast approximately 100,000 slices of bread. Imagine the sheer number of toasters, all operating simultaneously, powered by that one instantaneous flash from the heavens. This energy, when unleashed, can heat the air in its path to temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, causing the explosive expansion of air that we hear as thunder. That's a shocking breakfast indeed. The ocean floor is home to peculiar creatures, each with unique survival strategies. Among them is the sea cucumber. When threatened, it ejects its internal organs. These sticky innards deter predators, allowing escape. Remarkably, they regenerate, a gross yet effective strategy. We often associate complex social bonds and friendships with humans, primates, or perhaps other highly intelligent mammals like dolphins or elephants. However, research into the emotional lives of farm animals is revealing surprising depths of social connection. Consider the humble cow. These gentle giants, it turns out, form strong preferential bonds with particular individuals within their herd. Studies have shown that cows do indeed have best friends. It's a moving revelation, reminding us that the capacity for friendship extends further into the animal kingdom than we might have previously imagined. In North America, a small amphibian survives harsh winters with an incredible adaptation. The wood frog can endure being frozen solid. Ice crystals form within its body, even around vital organs. As spring arrives, it thaws and returns to life. A remarkable feat of natural cryopreservation. Pigeons. Often dismissed as mere city dwellers, these birds possess cognitive abilities that might surprise many. Far from being simple creatures, pigeons have demonstrated a remarkable capacity for learning and problem-solving, including skills that touch upon the realm of mathematics. Scientific studies have shown that pigeons can learn to count, at least to a small number of items. They can distinguish between different quantities and even understand abstract numerical rules. So, the next time you see a pigeon, remember that you are looking at a creature with a surprisingly sharp mind, a true intellect in feathers. Let us journey once more into the cosmos, to our nearest planetary neighbor, Venus. Often called Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition, Venus is a world of extremes, and it possesses a temporal peculiarity that is truly mind-bending. On Venus, a single day is longer than an entire Venusian year. This strange state of affairs is due to Venus's incredibly slow rotation on its axis. It takes approximately 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one full spin, a day longer than a year, a truly alien concept. The transformation of a caterpillar into a butterfly is one of nature's most iconic metamorphoses. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar digests itself into a nutrient-rich soup. Special enzymes break down its body tissues. Imaginal discs form the butterfly's structures. A complete transformation into a creature of beauty and flight. Elephants, with their profound intelligence and complex social structures, have long captivated human admiration. Emerging research and anecdotal observations suggest something heartwarming. Elephants might experience a reaction to humans similar to how we react to puppies or kittens. Scientists believe that when elephants encounter humans, especially those they find non-threatening or familiar, their brains might trigger a response akin to what we feel when we see something cute. Elephants are known to show curiosity, and sometimes playful behavior towards humans they trust. Elephants think humans are cute, a truly awe-inspiring thought, suggesting a shared emotional landscape. We often struggle to comprehend true immensity. Just think about the grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts of our world, a number so vast it seems almost infinite. Yet the universe holds a quantity that dwarfs even this staggering figure. There are quite simply more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on planet Earth. Estimates suggest there are roughly 7 quintillion 500 quadrillion grains of sand on Earth. It's a humbling perspective, a reminder of the sheer overwhelming grandeur of the universe we inhabit. Our final journey takes us not to a distant galaxy or a peculiar creature, but to something found in our kitchens and in the tombs of ancient pharaohs. Honey, the golden liquid produced by bees, is astonishing for its longevity. It never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey, thousands of years old, still edible. This is due to a combination of factors. Properly sealed, honey can last for centuries, even millennia, a testament to nature's chemistry. Our exploration of the wonderfully weird concludes, but the universe's capacity to astonish is limitless. From the punch of a shrimp to starlight outnumbering sand, reality is more bizarre than fiction. Each fact is a piece of a grand puzzle revealing new facets. Subscribe for more weird wonders. Hit the bell, stay curious. In our unceasing curiosity we find our connection to the universe.